In 2024, the laptop market has seen remarkable innovations, offering users unparalleled performance and versatility. From sleek designs to powerful hardware, the best laptops this year cater to a wide range of needs, whether for professional tasks, creative endeavors, or gaming. This guide highlights the top 5 laptops that stand out in terms of performance, battery life, display quality, and value, making them the go-to choices for tech enthusiasts and professionals alike. HP Chromebook 14A0021N are a versatile and affordable companion. The HP Chromebook 14A0021N is a testament to how far Chromebooks have come, offering a blend of performance, portability, and affordability. Designed with students, home users, and casual web surfers in mind, this Chromebook delivers a smooth, user-friendly experience ideal for a variety of everyday tasks. Elegant design and display. The HP Chromebook 14 boasts a sleek and lightweight design, making it easy to carry around for school, work, or travel. Its 14-inch HD display with a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels provides clear and vibrant visuals, whether you're streaming your favorite shows, attending virtual classes, or browsing the web. The anti-glare coating ensures comfortable viewing in different lighting conditions, reducing eye strain during extended use. Efficient performance. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4000 processor, the Chromebook 14 handles everyday tasks with ease. While it might not be suited for heavy gaming or intensive software, it excels in running web-based applications, streaming, and light multitasking. Paired with 4 GB of RAM, it ensures smooth performance for tasks such as document editing, video conferencing, and online research. Storage in Chrome OS. The HP Chromebook 14 comes with 32 GB of eMMC storage, which, while modest, is adequate for a cloud-centric device. Chrome OS is designed to work seamlessly with Google Drive and other cloud services, so users can store their files online and access them from anywhere. The quick boot times and automatic updates provided by Chrome OS enhance the overall user experience, keeping the system secure and efficient. Connectivity and multimedia. Connectivity is a strong suit of the HP Chromebook 14. It features multiple USB ports, including USB Type-C and USB Type-A, allowing users to connect various peripherals and devices. The inclusion of a microSD card slot offers an easy way to expand storage if needed. For multimedia needs, the Chromebook is equipped with a webcam and dual microphones, making it perfect for video calls and online classes. The built-in speakers provide decent audio quality for listening to music, watching movies, or participating in virtual meetings. Portability and battery life. Weighing in at just a few pounds, the HP Chromebook 14 is highly portable, fitting easily into backpacks and bags. This makes it an excellent choice for students and professionals who need a reliable laptop for on-the-go use. The battery life is impressive, lasting up to 13 hours on a single charge, ensuring that users can get through a full day of work or study without needing to plug in. Use cases: home, school, and entertainment. The HP Chromebook 14 is versatile enough to cater to a variety of users. For students, it offers an affordable and durable solution for online learning, research, and completing assignments. Home users will appreciate its straightforward interface and seamless integration with Google services for browsing, streaming, and managing household tasks. Additionally, the lightweight design and long battery life make it a great travel companion. The HP Chromebook 14A0021NR is a well-rounded, budget-friendly laptop that meets the needs of many users. Its efficient performance, user-friendly interface, and robust design make it a reliable choice for students, home users, and anyone looking for a simple yet effective computing solution. With the added benefits of a vibrant display, solid connectivity options, and impressive battery life, this Chromebook stands out as a top contender in the affordable laptop market. Number 4. HP 14 Laptop. 14DQ0040NR compact, affordable, and functional. In the realm of budget-friendly laptops, the HP 14 laptop, 14DQ0040NR, stands out as a reliable and versatile option. With its sleek design, efficient performance, and useful features, this laptop is an excellent choice for students, professionals, and anyone in need of a portable computing solution without breaking the bank. Sleek and compact design. The HP 14 laptop is designed with portability in mind. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it easy to carry, perfect for users who are always on the go. The snowflake white finish adds a touch of elegance, making it a stylish accessory in addition to a functional device. Clear and vivid display. The 14-inch MicroEdge HD display offers a resolution of 1366 by 768 pixels, providing clear and sharp visuals. The narrow bezels maximize the viewing area, making for an immersive experience whether you're watching videos, browsing the web, or working on documents. The display's anti-glare feature also ensures comfortable viewing in various lighting conditions. Efficient performance. Under the hood, the HP 14 laptop is powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor. While it may not be the most powerful CPU on the market, it is more than capable of handling everyday tasks such as web browsing, word processing, and streaming media. Paired with 4 GB of RAM, the laptop offers smooth performance for basic multitasking and light computing needs. Adequate storage. Storage is one of the critical considerations for any laptop, and the HP 14 doesn't disappoint. It comes with 64 GB of eMMC storage, which provides quick access to files and applications. While this may seem limited, the inclusion of a microSD card slot allows users to expand their storage easily, catering to those who need additional space for their files and media. Windows 11 Home and Microsoft 365. The HP 14 laptop runs on Windows 11 Home, offering a modern and user-friendly interface with enhanced security features. Additionally, it comes with a 1-year subscription to Microsoft 365, which includes access to essential productivity apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and more. This bundle is particularly beneficial for students and professionals who rely on these tools for their work, enhanced graphics, and connectivity. Despite being a budget laptop, the HP 14 includes 4K graphics support, allowing users to enjoy high-resolution content. This feature is a significant advantage for those who like to watch 4K videos or connect to external 4K displays. In terms of connectivity, the HP 14 laptop offers a range of options, including USB ports, an HDMI port, and a headphone/microphone combo jack. This versatility ensures that users can easily connect their peripherals and accessories. Battery life and portability. Battery life is a crucial factor for portable devices, and the HP 14 laptop delivers with a decent runtime that can last through a typical workday. This makes it a reliable companion for users who need to work or study away from a power source. The HP 14 laptop, 14DQ0040NR, is a well-rounded device that combines affordability with functionality. Its compact and stylish design, efficient performance, and useful features like Windows 11 Home and a 1-year Microsoft 365 subscription make it a valuable choice for budget-conscious users. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who needs a dependable laptop for everyday tasks, the HP 14 laptop offers excellent value for its price. Number 3. Acer Aspire 3A31524PR7VH Slim Laptop, a budget-friendly powerhouse. The Acer Aspire 3A31524PR7VH is a prime example of how far budget laptops have come in recent years. With a focus on delivering impressive performance without breaking the bank, this slim laptop is equipped with features that make it a compelling choice for students, professionals, and casual users alike. Sleek design and display. The Acer Aspire 3A31524PR7VH sports a modern, slim design that is both stylish and practical. Its 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display offers a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, ensuring crisp and clear visuals. Whether you're watching videos, working on presentations, or browsing the web, the display provides vibrant colors and wide viewing angles, enhancing the overall user experience. Robust performance with AMD Ryzen 3. At the heart of the Acer Aspire 3 is the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U quad-core processor. This powerful processor, combined with AMD Radeon graphics, delivers smooth performance for everyday tasks and more. From multitasking to handling light gaming and multimedia editing, the Ryzen 3 7320U ensures that the laptop can keep up with a variety of demands. Memory and storage. The laptop comes with 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, which is a significant upgrade over previous generations. This high-speed memory allows for efficient multitasking and quick access to frequently used applications. Alongside the RAM, the Acer Aspire 3 features a 128 GB NVMe SSD. This solid-state drive not only offers faster boot times and quicker file access but also contributes to the laptop's overall responsiveness, connectivity, and additional features. The Acer Aspire 3A31524PR7VH is equipped with Wi-Fi 6, the latest in wireless technology, providing faster and more reliable internet connectivity. This is particularly beneficial for users who require stable internet access for online classes, remote work, or streaming. One of the standout features of this laptop is its operating system. It comes with Windows 11 Home and S Mode, a streamlined version of Windows 11 designed for security and performance. S Mode allows users to install apps exclusively from the Microsoft Store, ensuring that all apps are verified and safe. However, users can easily switch out of S Mode if they need to install applications from other sources. Battery life and portability. Despite its powerful components, the Acer Aspire 3 manages to offer decent battery life, making it suitable for users who need to work on the go. Its lightweight design further enhances its portability, allowing users to carry it around effortlessly. The Acer Aspire 3 A31524PR7VH Slim laptop strikes a perfect balance between performance, design, and affordability. Its impressive specs, including the AMD Ryzen 3 7320U processor, 8GB LPDDR5 RAM, and 128GB NVMe SSD, make it a versatile choice for a wide range of users. The addition of Wi-Fi 6 and Windows 11 Home and S Mode further adds to its appeal, making it a reliable and secure option for those seeking a budget-friendly yet powerful laptop. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Book 3, a cutting-edge blend of performance and portability. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3, with its sleek design and robust specifications, redefines what users can expect from a modern laptop. Featuring the latest 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U processor, 16GB of RAM, and a spacious 512GB SSD, this 2023 model, NP750XFGKB2US, is built to cater to the needs of professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. Sleek and lightweight design. The Galaxy Book 3 is designed with portability in mind. Its slim profile and lightweight build make it easy to carry around, whether you're commuting, traveling, or just moving between rooms in your home. The elegant silver finish adds a touch of sophistication, making it not only a powerful device but also a stylish accessory. Vibrant FHD display. The 15.6-inch Full HD screen is one of the Galaxy Book 3's standout features. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels, it delivers crisp and vibrant visuals, perfect for a variety of tasks such as video editing, graphic design, streaming movies, and browsing the web. The slim bezels maximize the display area, providing an immersive viewing experience. Powerful performance. Under the hood, the Galaxy Book 3 is powered by the 13th Gen Intel Core i7-1355U processor. This cutting-edge CPU ensures that the laptop can handle demanding applications and multitasking with ease. Whether you're running multiple programs simultaneously, engaging in intensive computational tasks, or enjoying the latest games, the i7-1355U provides the performance needed for a smooth experience. Ample memory and storage. With 16GB of RAM, the Galaxy Book 3 offers plenty of memory for efficient multitasking. This allows users to switch between applications seamlessly and keep numerous tabs open without experiencing slowdowns. The 512GB SSD provides ample storage for all your files, applications, and media. Additionally, the SSD ensures fast boot times and quick access to data, enhancing overall productivity, enhanced security, and connectivity. The Galaxy Book 3 comes equipped with a fingerprint reader, providing an extra layer of security and allowing for quick and secure access to your device. This feature is particularly beneficial for users who prioritize data privacy and security. In terms of connectivity, the laptop includes multiple USB ports, including USB Type-C, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals. The HD webcam and built-in microphone enhance the experience of video calls and online meetings, making it an ideal choice for remote work and virtual collaborations. Battery life and efficiency. Battery life is crucial for a portable laptop, and the Galaxy Book 3 does not disappoint. Its efficient power management allows for extended use on a single charge, ensuring that you can work, study, or play without constantly worrying about finding a power outlet. The Samsung Galaxy Book 3, NP750XFGKB2US, is a powerful, stylish, and efficient laptop that caters to a wide range of users. Its combination of a cutting-edge Intel Core i7 processor, ample memory and storage, vibrant FHD display, and robust security features make it a top choice for professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse for productivity, a sleek device for on-the-go use, or a powerful machine for multimedia tasks, the Galaxy Book 3 delivers on all fronts. Number 1. Asus VivoBook S14 OLED, a sleek powerhouse in neutral black. The Asus VivoBook S14 OLED, S5406MA AS96, sets a new standard for mid-range laptops, combining a cutting-edge Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, a vibrant OLED display, and a sleek design. As an Intel Evo edition, it promises exceptional performance, responsiveness, and battery life, making it a top choice for professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. Striking OLED display. One of the standout features of the Asus VivoBook S14 is its stunning 14-inch OLED display. Known for their superior color accuracy, deep blacks, and high contrast ratios, OLED panels provide a visually immersive experience. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or working on graphic design projects, the full HD resolution and rich colors make every detail pop. Powerful performance. At the heart of the VivoBook S14 is the Intel Core Ultra 9 185H processor. This high-performance CPU is designed to handle demanding tasks with ease, from intensive multitasking to running resource-heavy applications. Coupled with 16 GB of RAM, the laptop ensures smooth and efficient performance, allowing users to work seamlessly across multiple applications and tabs without any lag. Ample storage. Storage is no concern with the VivoBook S14, thanks to its 1TB SSD. This substantial storage capacity means you can keep all your important files, applications, and media in one place, with the added benefit of ultra-fast data access speeds. The SSD not only improves overall system responsiveness but also significantly reduces boot times and file loading times. Intel Evo Edition. Being part of the Intel Evo platform, the Asus VivoBook S14 guarantees a premium experience. Intel Evo certified laptops undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet high standards for responsiveness, battery life, and connectivity. This means users can expect instant wake from sleep, fast charging, long battery life, and reliable Wi-Fi 6 connectivity. Sleek and stylish design. The VivoBook S14 features a sleek and stylish design, finished in a sophisticated neutral black. Its slim profile and lightweight construction make it highly portable, perfect for users who need a powerful yet compact laptop. The build quality is robust, with a premium feel that enhances the overall user experience. Enhanced connectivity and features. In addition to Wi-Fi 6, the VivoBook S14 offers a variety of connectivity options, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, HDMI, and a microSD card reader. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of peripherals and accessories, making it a versatile choice for both work and play. The laptop also includes an ergonomic keyboard with a comfortable typing experience and a precision touchpad for smooth navigation. Security features such as a fingerprint sensor provide quick and secure access to the device. The Asus VivoBook S14 OLED, S5406MA AS96, is a powerful and stylish laptop that delivers on all fronts. Its combination of a stunning OLED display, the powerful Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, ample storage, and Intel Evo certification make it a standout choice in the crowded laptop market. Whether you're a professional looking for a reliable workhorse, a student needing a dependable study companion, or a tech enthusiast seeking the latest features, the VivoBook S14 offers exceptional value and performance in a sleek, portable package.